Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Octavia Beauty. I am your girl Octavia, and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Milk Cosmetics 24. I bought this palette a little while ago, but I hadn't used it. You guys know I've been working and doing COVID, so we're going to do this bomb makeup tutorial, and at the end of this you're going to find out my final thoughts. So before we get into all to that, I want you guys to look now, hit the subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up. Now we're going to get into it.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be
somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going
am back with my final look. How you guys like it? Of course, my camera died when I was filming, but we're just gonna jump right into the product review, which is the 24 Milk Cosmetics palette. I do think this palette, it performed a lot better. The mattes in here performed a lot better than the Smoke Sessions did for me. We have one shimmer, and then the rest of this is a matte palette. I absolutely love this palette, and I love the look that I got today. I used about 4 colors to achieve this look, and then I also used the melted lipstick in the shade 710, and this is the shade that I have on now. I think this is a gorgeous nude color, and yeah, so I think this palette is definitely worth the money. It definitely performed, the mattes definitely performed better than the mattes did and the Smoke Sessions palette. So yeah, you guys get into it. Make sure you guys look down, give your girl a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please leave me some comments down below. Thank you.